unboxing, part of the camping series for this week. Today we got ourselves a flashlight. This flashlight is actually 100,000 lumens LED. This sucker is XHP70.2 flashlight. It's a rechargeable flashlight, comes in this really nifty looking case. Here's the model number if you guys wanted to see it. Of course, another interesting name of the company. It's called XHP70. Another Chinese product. A lot of stuff coming out of there. Let's open this stuff. Alright. Oh, that's nice. Soft. Here's the flashlight. Comes with a good USB-C battery product. This is the rechargeable battery. Manual. Upside down manual. Pretty much very easy. Set aside. Cool case. Let's look at let's look at the flashlight itself. Wow, it's hefty. It's really heavy. There's the USB charge. Oh, look at that. Does that mean that you can charge an external device with that? Interesting. Very interesting. Look at that lens, man. A little dusty. Let's clean it up. Oh, yeah. Power indicator. Let's open the back. Very simple. Let's see if the battery life, if there's any battery in there. I like how you're able to replace the battery if you really necessarily need to. Because recharging over a whole bunch of times, the battery will die eventually. It's not really a 1,000 looms, honestly. Yeah. I like the flash. I like the flashing. I feel like that's not the maximum brightness. That's not that bright, honestly. It says 100,000 lumen. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's pretty bright when you're pointing it somewhere else. So it's pretty basic. This has, okay, there we go. Okay, yeah. I'm sure there's a joke in that. Okay, that's much better. Ooh. Alright, we'll get a different angle for you guys for the light focus. Alright, here's a different angle for you guys. This is fully focused outward. And this one looks like when you pull forward. Nice. Of course, you can adjust it here and there. That looks cool. Kind of looks like a little crosshair. Gonna shoot you kind of thing. That's cool. Let me pull back. And it's wide area. Fully adjustable. I feel like you can bump into it and then change it. Very simple. You know, for $25 and it being USB-C rechargeable, let me close these blinds. Maybe we can get a better. There we go. That's pretty bright, actually. Alright, here's the light in pitch darkness of our camping area. There's a lot of gopher holes. You gotta watch your step. Yeah, but this is the light. It's pretty damn bright. Focus level. Pretty intense. This is the brightest mode right now. There's 2 other brightness levels. Oh, that was not the brightest. This is the brightest. My bad. Medium. Low. Strobe. SOS. And then off. I like it the low. Be able to keep the battery level. Been using it for three nights or so. The battery's still pretty high, 88. Fire catch on. It's a slow starter. Just go for holes, man. Oh yeah. That board is so dense, I don't think it's gonna really catch full on fire unless other stuff is fully lit.
Kind of out to the side for you until it like really starts glowing.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe we need some smaller pieces, maybe.